Hi friends, welcome you all to Moneymax Academy. Today we are going to learn about how to use text to column. How to use text to column. We have to select the data first. We have the names with space. Ajay Jadeja, Anil Kumble. We have the name with space. You have to select the data and go to the data menu. Click text to columns. You have two options, delimited and fixed width. You have to select delimited option. Click next. We have the option of tab, semicolon, comma, space or others. Now you can select other option. You can select space option because you have the name with the space. Automatically you can see the preview here. Every names are splitted here. Name separately splitted. Go to next. Where do you want to paste it? What is the destination you want to give the result? So you have to select the destination here. Press enter. You can get the answer. So we have the name with the space. We are going to use the text column, text to column, text to column available in the data menu. So I am giving again, I am repeating you, Control Z. I have to select the data. I have to select the data first. Go to data menu, text to column. Choose the option delimited or fixed width. I have to select delimited. Go to next. I have the option tab, semicolon, comma, space or other. What is your name with the space? So you can click space. Now you can select next. And then what is the destination you want to give? The same destination or other destination? Other destination means you have to select the other destination, press enter. Now you can get the result. So this is the source data. We don't want to disturb the source data. So that we have pasted the data using by text to column. Text to column. Okay friends. Now you have the data with ampersand sign. Ampersand sign is a and sign. It is called a ampersand sign. You have the name with the ampersand. What do you want to do? You want to use the text to column. Same. You have to select the data. Go to data menu, text to column, go, select delimited. Next, you are not having the space, so there is no option. If there is no option, you can select other option. Within the box, you have to give the ampersand symbol. Now automatically you will get the result. You want the same destination, you can get like this. I'll give you the example. You can get like this. Suppose you don't want to disturb the original data. You want to give the result in some other destination, mean go to select everything and then change the destination. Select the data, select here, press enter. You can give the answer. You don't want to disturb the original data. You just remove the ampersand sign and split the name. This is another method. Third one is if you have the mail IDs. If you have the mail IDs, the joining is delimited is at the rate of ajay@gmail.com, kumble@yahoo.com. Now you want to split the name and mail ID separately. Same, go to data menu, text to column, delimited. Next, instead of and symbol, ampersand symbol, you can use at the rate of symbol. Same. What is the destination you want to give? You have to select the destination here, or you can select here, press enter, get the answer. I hope you all enjoyed the videos. Thank you all. Thank you so much friends. See you all in the next videos. Thank you.